Today I am going to try to cut this partially dead tree, which I just observed is on my side of the property, and I've been looking at it for the past year, and I was trying to question the neighbors as to when are they gonna cut this tree. Lo and behold, that shit is on my side of the property. And of course I try to use homeboy over here, and I think it needs a new blade because it's not doing nothing in here. So I had to fetch my old boy, which I thought the police had come and no, I thought they had taken that from my property. It's illegal to have one of these, but you know we gotta have this. If you're from the islands, you need a cutlass. All right, so let's see what happens with that. I'll show you what happens with the chainsaw, how useless it is. And it's kind of raining, but I'm about to bring it back inside. So this is how it looks. Totally. I cannot waste my time with this. Needs a new blade, I think. Needs maintenance because it's been overused. So let's see if I could just it's tied up over here with some old extension cord. Hopefully, I hope it's strong enough. It doesn't. Hope it doesn't fall on my head and kill me. It's okay. Let's do some action with this and see what happens with the machete. Yes, I see why I have one of these. Yeah. Good old-fashioned machete. All right. Take a look at it. Deep inside, massive blows. Massive blows on it. Yes, Jah Rastafari. And I caught in the tree, boy. So, as I said, all this time I thought it was the neighbor's tree, and it turns out it's on my side. So that's why you gotta keep an eye on your land. Hopefully, there are no more trees that will grow on my piece of land. Okay, boy. Let me switch over into Creole, and then maybe when I'm done, I'll come back in English again. Bon, asou danwé mwen si yon ti on koupé bois, mwen pa te sav. Ki te ka profite leve asou danwé mwen la. Tout hod la pa founet mwen de kay mwen ka gade pe bois chèche la, mwen ka di pou chise moun la pa ka koupe pied bois, mais mwen pa te même vini pou pied bois pou gade si te sa mwen api sa yo. Jodi mwen vini la, mwen gade ada chouch. Mwen ka gade chouch pied bois et puis y a se kote mwen asou mwen sote mwen la, dawe mwen. Kon sa mwen deside pou koupe. Pati pied bois et il pesque mort. Yon côté, moi quoi bon char là, il a profité toujours mais l'autre là il mort déjà mais que comme ça moi dit moi dit comme ça moi que on est coupé parce que idée carrément il pas que ouais. Si vous passez avant l'Amérique, même si on est pour couper un petit peu bois comme ça, you on peut dépenser yon $1,000 et puis on peut permis on peut permettre ces monde là pour faire couper. You pas voulu on est couper puis bois comme ça. C'est pour chi moi pas dépenser tout l'argent ça pour un petit peu bois comme ça. Comme ça moi quand décider pour couper. Oh ben moi que accident quand il fait là. Bon on fini couper puis bois et puis que mucho les autres là pour moi fini. Okay, let's go try to pull this. See what happens. Okay, let's see. Oh, shit. I'm in deep doo-doo now. Let's see if I could push it. All right. I'm gonna have to call some reinforcements here.